guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin, and for today's video, I'm here with this simple, easy and colorful makeup look for you all. As this look is so easy to create, you will be able to easily rock this look at any wedding party or any events. So if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. As my base makeup is done, I'm going to start with my eye makeup here. So at first, from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to highlight my brow bone with a light golden shade. Now I'm taking a brown shade and I'm applying it all over my crease, all the way from the inner corners up to my outer corners. Now I'm mixing that with a lighter brown, and with a very fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow, making sure that there are no harsh lines. Now comes the star of the show. This shade is so amazing. It's like a shimmery shade with micro glitters on it, and this looks absolutely beautiful whenever you apply it on your lid. Even I think you can even apply it on your cheeks if you like really glittery and intense highlighters. And on the inner corner of my lower lash line, I'm applying the silver glitter on the palette. And here I'm applying some mascara. So as you guys can see, it was super easy, the eye makeup. It literally took no time at all. And I'm lining my waterline with a nude eye pencil to make my eyes pop. Here I'm adding some lashes, and these are from Lash Lounge. Now I'm going to contour and bronze my face. So at first I'm contouring my cheekbones, then on my jawline, and on the sides of my forehead. As well as the sides of my nose. Now for blush, I'm taking a blush from Wet n Wild. For highlighter, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Sophia X highlighting palette. And I'm going to set my face with the Absolute Newyork Fixing Spray. And after the spray have dried a little, I'm going to reapply and blend my highlighter just a little bit more, so that it looks more intense and blinding. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to know how I did the base makeup, then don't forget to visit my previous video. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.